Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Tesla today real quick. The company reported earnings that kind of blew everything away. Way high, way more than expected. It was really good. And the stock was up, I think, almost $100 after hours. And then today it opened up as well. Let me get rid of this thing. Today it opened up as well, I think, like to a new high, well, actually, it was higher here. But anyway, so it opened up kind of above this range, but then virtually immediately started selling. Okay, if you're a Teslonian, then absolutely buy more. I mean, Lord Almighty, what a blessing to be able to get this stock for under $1,500 a share. This is your opportunity. Go for it. Pile in, because next stop, $5,000. So I support you in that trade. Now, if you're just a technician and just looking at charts, this is a stock that is really, really dangerous right now. I get all the buying pressure. I get the fact that at any time it may be added to the S&P 500. That includes tomorrow or 6 months from tomorrow or never. And so if you're holding because you're counting on that, this is what you've got to understand. Everybody knows it. Like, you don't have an edge because you're holding the stock under the knowledge that sooner or later the S&P 500, Standard & Poor's, is going to add this to the S&P 500. Everybody knows this already. And so there's no edge in buying it and waiting for that catalyst. And this today, what's happened gives you another example of that. I'd mentioned in the forum yesterday, I think there's like a 99% chance that Tesla is going to report good numbers and the stock's going to pop. That's because they had to in order to qualify for S&P inclusion. And, you can always kind of massage numbers one way or another to do that. But the question is the stock overdone? I mean, you look at the weekly chart and, this is nosebleed times 12. But it's Tesla, and this is what happens with this stock. A lot of people that are a heck of a lot smarter than me have gotten killed trying to pick the top here. So this is something that you don't want to do. All I'm saying is, if you've been running with this stock all the way up, this is your opportunity to sell. At least take some profits. You don't have to take it all. I'd be out of this thing. But you don't have to take it all, but at least take some, because as I look at this chart, I can see, I could see the stock pulling back 400 or 500 points, and there would still be nothing wrong with the uptrend. That's what I'm trying to tell you, is the risk of a downside move that's just kind of normal is really, really big. And so I would say now's the time to take profits. But like I said, if you're a musketeer, if you're a Teslonian, and you just think that this is going to be the stock for the ages, then now's your opportunity to load up. You can buy all the shares from people that are listening to me and deciding to sell. So we could have a really nice exchange here. Okay. All right. Members, over to the strategy session.